Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is about this lovely cardboard box. As you can see, we have 4 corners on this box. It's in a lovely shade of brown and it opens up either side. There we have it. Let's get on with it. Seriously, so inside that box I have just gone and got myself a new sunglasses holder for my Transporter T5. Now for those of you with a T5 or a T6, you will notice above the driver's side of your head, whilst you're sitting there, the driver's side of your head, yeah, above it, yeah, that makes sense. So above your head when you're driving, you would normally have a grab handle up here. Now, mine being a start line, it didn't ever come with a grab handle. I think it's because it's more of the poverty spec. For those of you upper class folk who have the trend line or the high line or the sport line, you probably have a grab handle. Now, the passenger side of my van has a grab handle, and that can definitely stay there. I have no intentions of changing that. However, if you want to give your wife a sunglasses holder, you can take that off and fit one up there as well. So I was using this like cubby hole up here to store my sunglasses. That drove me mad. Every time you go over a bump, it would rattle and shake the van to pieces, so I couldn't stand that anymore. And so yeah, now's the time to actually make use of that space. So let's get on with the video. So in this box, we have some bubble wrap, and we have the sunglasses holder itself. You can see here, it's like a flip down one. I'm trying to do this at a funny angle, so yeah, there we go. So that's that. And inside the bag, we got 2 screws, like so. We've got 2 washers, like so. And then we've got 2 screw caps, like so. And what I'm going to do is show you exactly how I'm going to fit it. So the tools you need are either an impact driver with a posi bit on the end. I'm using this one because I've got a nice long bit on it. It shouldn't get in the way of anything. For those of you that don't have an impact driver, just use a posi screwdriver. Excuse my hands, I've been siliconing at home today, so they are a bit filthy. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see exactly how it's fitted. But firstly, you want to get your screws and washers ready. Basically, the screw goes through the washer with the lip of the washer facing downwards, as that's actually going to sit inside of the case like so. So that little indent there is where the washer will sit inside. Next thing is you want to just line up the sunglasses holder just to see exactly where you want it to fit. You can have it a little lower if you want, but I sort of want it as high up as possible, because you still got to get your finger in where the chrome bar is there to obviously lift it down. So I'd go with there, little gap at the top, and if I take it away, you'll see on the headlining there is a line across here. So I'm just going to put the camera at a different angle so you can see it better. Right, so if you hold the sunglasses case with both thumbs, line it up, you'll feel underneath the bottom of the case where it matches the groove of the headlining. So I'm just going to hold it tight in place. Make sure it's central between both sides of the headlining so it doesn't look odd. You can push the screws in these headlinings quite easy because it is a soft material. Just going to get the screws started. There goes one. And I'm going to get the other screw. There's the other, and there we have it. There's the sunglasses case nicely on there. The next thing is the screw caps. Now I've already done one just to make it easier to show you. The bottom just slots in and then you just push it up, and there's your screw cap covers as well. So the final thing I'm going to do is just put my big bulky H&M plastic square sunglasses inside the case. Now, as you'll see inside, there is like a foamy spongy layer. that will protect the lenses from getting scratched. So what you want to do is sort of have the sunglasses facing down. I am trying to do this one-handed, so just bear with me. So yeah, they're facing down. You will see mine do overhang a little bit. That's just because of the shape of them. But for those of you with like Ray-Ban style glasses or more of a circular type sunglasses, I'm sure they will fit in absolutely perfect. But the gap between the headlining and the case itself is only small, so you can't really expect them to be 100%. I'll let that go back up. And like I said, because it is spring loaded as well, it will keep the glasses in there nice and tight. So like, even though mine are sticking out a tiny bit, they are still in there nice and tight. That will stop any rattling, which I was previously getting from this up here. So yeah, overall I am happy with the new addition to the van. And for those of you that found this video useful, please leave a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments box. I will be putting a link up in the description showing you where you can get one of these sunglasses holders from. Yeah, and thanks again for watching. Cheers.